Hey, it's Dwighty. We're off to Gympie today to explore the beautiful region around our Monkland and Toolara sites, as well as find out what makes it a fantastic place to live and work. Welcome to Gympie. Let's go check it out. So super excited to be at the Gympie Toolara site today. Here to meet with Rowan. He's our plant manufacturing manager. Hi Rowan, and thanks very much for having us on site today.
Pleasure.
Can you tell us first of all the position here that you hold, and then just a few fun facts about the site?
Yeah, no worries. So yeah, I'm plant manager here at the Toolara site. We're the only site in Laminex that produces MDF board. We produce about 300,000 cubes a year. We're over 2 very large presses. There's 180 people that work on site across 24/7, so it is challenging to meet up across the shifts. But when we do, we have a lot of fun.
Well, we've had a fantastic day here at the Laminex Gympie Toolara site. Really appreciate Rowan and his team giving up their time. Righto, so we've actually made our way to one of Rowan's favourite locations. Rowan, where are we?
So we're in Rainbow Beach. This place is quite amazing. You can actually drive on the beach, which is really cool. And at low tide, you can drive all the way around to Double Island Point, past the coloured sands, where there's some great surf spots and some more beautiful Queensland beaches.
So Rowan, here we are, your favourite lunch spot, the deck. What a beautiful view.
It is great. I love sitting up here. You've got the ocean right there. Yeah, the hustle and bustle of Rainbow. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's really good. And the surf club over there to the right. Plenty of options if you wanted to come up here to have a meal and some drinks and stuff like that. Especially like a day like this, watch the sun go down, relaxing.
Favourite time is actually at sunset. I mean, the sun's over there, but still just the light and everything sort of, yeah, it looks really nice. Couple of beers, yeah. Not a bad place to be.
Just arrived at Fraser Grill. This is a place that all the guys on site at Gympie Toolara actually recommended. Let's go and check it out. All right, this looks really good. Look at this just looks delicious. It's a nice big brekkie burger, first thing in the morning. We're here today at Laminex Monkland site. This is where we make all of our particle board, just outside the main town of Gympie. Whereabouts do you live in the Gympie region?
I live in Coram, which is about 20 minutes back that way.
Yes.
Just down the highway, so it's nice and close. I've been up here since about 2015, I think. Bought a block of land and built up here and sort of moved up a few years after that. It's a nice place to live.
What are some of the things that you like to do in and around the area?
I love the beach, so I live near the beach, so fish, surf, swim. I've got a nice old Harley that's just nice to cruise up through the mountains.
There's tons of beautiful places in and around Gympie, and as you said, Maemore, Cananga, Inverll. You can go out sort of Gympie Way, Kilkeven, Kenilworth. There's just so much to see and do.
Well, we've had a great day at our Laminex Monkland site. We've really been made to feel like part of the family here today. We've had some excellent discussions with some of the team members here. We've actually learned a whole lot more about the Gympie area. Let's go and check it out. Hey Jacob, how are you?
Yeah, pretty good, thanks.
Excellent.
Nice to meet you.
So here at Victory Heights, Tell us what this place is all about.
So it's the local mountain bike spot for town, pretty close to the centre of town. There's about 27 kilometres of trails here, mainly single track mountain bike style trails, ranging from, we have a kids loop over there, all the way up to, we're standing at the top of the Black Diamond Trail here, which is got a few decent sized jumps on it. Yeah, for the local area, it gets used quite a fair bit.
So we're in town tonight at a beautiful place called Dolly and Oats, and our wonderful meals actually come out. Have a look at this food. How great is this? This is absolutely awesome. Can't wait to tuck in. So the arancini balls come highly recommended. That is fantastic. Can't recommend it enough. Arancini balls, Dolly and Oats. Well, good morning. We're right in the middle of Gympie today, and we're here at Hatch Coffee to grab our morning coffee fix. Place that some of the boys have actually recommended, and favourite spot for some of the ladies at the Monkland site. Can I get a large cappuccino, please?
What's your name?
For Dave.
Thank you.
No problem. Cheers, thank you. Well, consensus is right, that's awesome. We're literally 10 minutes out of Gympie, and we've actually discovered the little town of Maemore, where the Mary Valley Rattler, which is a historic train that actually comes out here every Wednesday and Saturday. Hey, you can even pick yourself up a pair of sunnies at the local store. Look at that. How's that look? Beautiful? We've had an absolutely amazing few days checking out the town of Gympie and its surrounds. I'm absolutely sold. What a great place to live, work, and visit all the surroundings. Gympie is #1 from me.